20-year-old student allegedly took young female to home and raped her. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 20-year-old Orlando Campbell, a student of Muckle Clarendon, has been charged with rape and indecent assault following an incident at Bushy Park in the parish on Tuesday, August the 6th. Reports from the Maypen police are that on the date mentioned above, the now complainant was invited on a trip by a friend and met Campbell. Upon returning from the trip, she and the now accused man were reportedly both consuming alcohol, and she became drunk. She allegedly woke up at her home with Campbell assaulting her. She later reported the incident to the police, and he was subsequently brought in by his lawyer and charged on Wednesday, August 21. His court date is to be finalized. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.